Smoke until it's stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel.
Wham, M5. And not no freaking E60 M5 either. You know, that's nice. Look at the freaking exhaust on that thing. Carbon diffuser. Huge, huge brakes. It's all carbon. So much carbon on this freaking thing. Man, and the best part about it is they fucked up and left the keys in there. I don't know why they would do that. Oh, I shouldn't even start it. But beautiful, right? Nice car. Definitely worth the freaking 50 or 60 G's they are. Self-Cherry C5 vet, I believe. C5? Yeah. Those are nice. It's a manual? No, it's automatic. They're always automatic, but nice. Black interior. Well, we will. Love a good Subaru Forester too, you know? Can't really get wrong with it. And look over here. I'm gonna snipe that thing. Wham. We'll go check that out later too. What is about this cover? It looks like it's been washed with oil or something. What if that's coming through on the camera? It's crazy. That's weird. SLM reps. Not bad. No key. Oh, it's manual too. It's 6 speed. Dang. Is that like a low jack in there or something? That ain't bad. 3 Series is dead. You know what I realized about Manheim though is people always told me that it's cheaper up here, and it is. Prices are a little lower, but they keep their cars like crap. I don't know what it is about this place, but and maybe not even be them, it's just maybe the porters or whatever else. I don't know what it is, but lots of dead cars and lots of freaking dirty cars and flat tires and all kinds of shit. Huh. Thing out. It's probably got a freaking flat or a dead battery, but wham! You wonder if that's real. I don't know. It might be. It might be real. This might be legit. I wonder if it starts. Oh, dude, that thing's fucking totally legit. That's real deal right there. Real deal Holyfield. Let's see if it starts. Oh, it's automatic R32. Dead again. I'm telling you, every freaking thing out here is dead for some reason. Jesus Christ. I don't understand what the hell's going on around here. Bro, we got lots of cars with rims up in here. You know? Like the VTEC SI? It's actually not bad. Freaking A. Let's check this out. Oh, it's manual too. Do not start, push only. Probably has a bad starter or something weird. It smells moldy in that one too. It's a nice little car though. It's an SI. Damn, front end damage though. Somebody's looking for this thing. This would be an easy sell. Sick. Look at them dubs. What the heck? You're rolling like a freaking pimp, you know? Pimp. Perfect. Beautiful. Holy crap, how the hell does that end up in auction? Who trades this thing in? Look at those cannons. Wham. Totally starting this motherfucker. Are you serious? Dude, it's a sty. It's a real sty, dude. In auction. Wow. Nice. What the hell? Look, it's got bibs on it. It's got some BBS's. It's freaking looking clean. Oh. Whoa. Giving that a go right now. Hold on. They took the goddamn keys. The one that I wanted to start, they just took the fucking keys out of it. You can't even, oh wait, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Shifter does work. Feels a little weird. This car's nice. Dude, STIs are freaking tits. This thing's badass. I would freaking drive this thing in 2 seconds. Are you serious? Absolutely, and the Recaros feel good. It's nice. Totally worth it. Absolutely, I'm totally putting this one on the list. What if it goes for cheap? What if this goes for cheap? I bet it does. Watch. I'll tell you one thing, there is a metric shit ton of cars here right now. 100%. This is a much bigger yard and a ton of crap here, so I mean, I've already found a bunch of good stuff. A ton of it. So we'll see. I'm gonna go to the in-ops and see what's happening over here. It's nice. Got a newer WRX. It's pretty sweet. And it's manual. Oh, doors are locked. Jesus, this yard's weird, man. Damn, dog. Damn, man, where'd y'all confiscate these rims from, dog? Damn. Fucking money green Mustang. Looking like money driving down the road. Wow. Wow. Wham. Perfect. Beautiful. Probably dead, obviously. But 1995 25. What the heck are those? That's like blunt guts or something. Somebody had a party in it before they sold it. That's nice, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yes. There she blows. She's perfect. Wow. Freaking Laguna Seca, probably? Laguna Seca blue? Beautiful. Fuck. What's the color of the interior here? No carbon roof. That's kind of suck. Dude, it's a true manual M, bro. No way. Cream yourself. And the keys are in it. Get the fuck out of here. We're in it. We're doing. Dude, well, hats off to whoever ordered a true manual M. Freaking A. You're a boss. You're the real MVP. Straight up. I pray that this thing starts. I pray it does. Where do you put the key at? It's fucking dead. Who lets an M3 die? I'm literally gonna write a fucking letter. That is insanity. I'm in a Laguna Seca M3 and I can't start the goddamn thing. It's true manual, bro. It's fucking true manual, bro. Start, you whore. It started. I just want to feel the clutch out. See what it feels like. Blam. Cream, dude. Feels fantastic. Well, it's got some pretty good low end torque. Not bad. I'll tell you right now, I'd buy this thing in 2 seconds. It's kind of quick, honestly, for what it is. No BS. I also like this thing too. It's a freaking tow dog and a half right there, man. Bet this thing's been on some serious road trips. You know? Look at the captain's chairs. You gotta try to stay awake in that motherfucker while you're driving down the road. Sick. Man, this yard's got it, dude. This yard's got it figured out. Look at this LS400 over here. Facelift LS400. Beautiful car too. Probably been here a while. What the heck's on the mirror, the window right there? Nice. Not starting that one. There's nothing exciting going on there. Damn, bro. Where do you confiscate these Rams from every time, man? Jesus. Finally do buy a Benz. It's gonna be a CLK, probably 55 or a CLK 63 or something really badass. But I just love how it has the same roof line as like the BMW 8 Series, like the old I want to say the E32 or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But how they just have the lack of the B pillar is just so sick. It really is. It's an S Mini Cooper S. My buddy used to have one of these, and we slammed it when we were kids, and drove it all the way down to the Hella Flush meets that were down in Miami, the Miami Dolphin Stadium one time, and one hell of a time. These cars are great for what they are. They're tiny, but they're sweet and they're fast. Great little track cars, honestly, and they look good. I love the R53 Mini Cooper. Beautiful car. Dynamic. There's guaranteed to be a CRV there. Just absolutely guaranteed. The 370. I know. Clearly sponsored. Clearly. All the top companies. It's automatic too. Jesus Christ. Usually not one for friggin' FRS BRZs, but they are pretty sweet, and they can be fast, but they're just dogs when you first get them. But the color of this one's really nice. It's not bad. That concludes our trip to Manheim. That was good. Lots of good stuff there. I'm gonna put some bids in on stuff. I'm probably gonna be an internet bidder and just do it tomorrow. Sorry, my hair looks insane right now. It's hot as hell right now, still in Florida for some reason. But, so, next week we'll probably tomorrow I'm gonna be coming back. I'm gonna go to Odessa again and see what they have out there. I went there a little earlier today and there was just nothing, so I decided to come up here. But we'll be seeing. Hopefully I can get something. That'd be cool. Maybe that Mini Cooper or something. It'd be really tight actually. So thank y'all. Peace out, dogs.